What's up, guys? It's me, and it's been like I don't know, like a year, and I haven't been making like videos because like skill. Anyway, I'm playing Animal Company new Christmas update with this dude, Sam. Hi, Sam. Hey. Oh, Sam, can you say hello? Okay, there you go. Good job.
I don't think you're in game.
Good job.
Your mic is on, your mic is on. Oh, I just wasted 2
Buddy,
shots.
I don't hear you at all.
It isn't? Okay. Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, is it working now, Sam? Because remember you told me that my in-game mic was still on, even though I was in the call, so I muted it. Well,
yeah, it's working now.
Well, hopefully the intro works.
You can try again. Bro.
Nah. I'm too lazy. Let's go! Let's go! So let's... well, we forgot to make a video earlier. Well, let's just get Armstrong.
Okay, alright, now what I'm gonna do...
Basically just gotta be gambling. Oh, he's beating the shit out of me. Wait, that's the shot there. Alright, can you beat the shit out of Mimic, or do you need me to do it? I missed. Oh, just give me this sword and I'll just deal with him with. I've never used this sword yet. So it's kind of. Oh, that's good. Just one shot him. It's just how much damage it does on you. Come here. Didn't hit you.
Wait, we're gonna unbox something.
Wait, I can't even hit you. I think PvP might come off. Gambling time! Jack's not here anymore. Imagine if you could like put like a flamethrower in here to like make. Sam? Oh! I thought it would be like working. It just shoots items. Wait, can I shoot anything? Oh yeah. Oh no, I can't put that. Put that in. Can we put this in? Ah! Viper shotgun. We can't. Why can't we like put some things in some weird outfit? Anyway, doesn't matter. All the presents are gone. So it's time for me, or not. Why do I not have an extra shot in there? Why do I not have an extra shot in there? For that, buddy. Buddy, you're gonna pay for that. Average day in America, bro. Oh! Anyway, come over to your body. Bro! Come over to your body. I'm not going over to this dude. This black dude. I gotta kill her. Okay. Alright. Where's your ghost? Come down here! What are you doing way up there? Man, I'm about to shoot you in the asshole. Not the shotgun! Dual wield! This guy. Hiding that, I was gonna flash him. Oh no! Man, I nearly fell in the crack! Actually, I would like to jump in the crack. Oh no! No, I'm in the crack! I fell in the crack! No! Please, asshole! Get shot in the ass! Oh, no! Not this guy! Not this guy! Oh, God, I'm too good! Watch this. No! Why am I stuck in the wall? Why am I stuck in the wall? Oh, there. Oh, second I thought I was falling out without reloaded. Oh, yay, weapon. Shut up! Shit out! ammo. It's okay. Not that one. Give me the shotgun. Yes. No. Okay, this game's trolling me. This game is trolling me. This game is trolling me. You mean the shotgun? The shotgun.
Kristen, where are you?
Oh, I'm trying to get my stuff back. Okay, I'm running. Okay, I'm staying out of your way. No. It's there. Let's see this guy. This doesn't work. Tell me I got the right bag. Yes, I did get the right bag. Would have cried if I got the wrong bag, right? Shotties? Just like build up a bunch of shotties and like one like that. Now, you know why are you doing the pistol again?
Yeah, because it's good.
Yeah, but that's not good. It didn't work.
No, last time we didn't even try 4 pistols.
Yeah, but like that's because I the handgun. I was like sweating.
What?
You fucking. What is this? Help me! The poison spikes! I'm gonna be impaled! I'm okay! Please kill him. No, you fucking. Yes. That's what I needed.
I'm sorry.
Man, let me get my shotgun ammo in peace. Please give me my bag's full. That's it. I don't have ammo either. That's my ammo. This is my ammo. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna need a whole new loadout.
Alright. Oh, that I'm so lucky I decided to get that it turned green. Bastard! Spider. Okay, not a banner. That's not good.
Oh, fuck you!
Okay. So the plan is just to get ammo. Hook shot my way in there. Grab my bag. Walk it out. That's the plan. And it better work. It worked, okay. Okay, it worked. I don't even need the rocket. I'm just that good. Oh, Sam's in trouble! I'm coming to help you, Sam! I'm too late. I should have fucking like... What happened over here?
My face!
Oh, free stuff. Oh, never mind. All this stuff is juicy. Shut up! Kill yourself. He killed himself. Come on. Oh, he's not dead. Oh, what the hell? Okay. No, Sam will probably just open this box. Oh, yes!
Nah, bro, you gotta get what's coming.
Okay. Okay, good. No. Yes. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so good. Right, make it back to spawn. No, I'm so cooked if I don't make it back. Oh god. Oh, this is so. Oh god, I'm so red watch. Where did I even go? No. And that's how you do it. You can't do anything about it. So what you're gonna do is like grab a piece of dynamite. Revolvers work, but like they're more expensive, so I wouldn't recommend doing it like a revolver. What you wanna do is like you wanna have it like inside, so you can't see anything. And then you wanna like let's grab a new bag for this. Let's just like put that out, put this away. Grab a new bag. Grab some RPG ammo. Plop it in my bag. Alright. Oh, it's 2%. So guys, I'm just gonna finish this off by showing you how this works. Sam, have you guys at 2%, alright?
Oh,
What you
okay.
trying to do? This way. And yeah, and that's how you make a remote control nuke. No! Quit! No! You bastard! Wait, you better get my stuff.